And there you choose the format only cells that contain. You have the editorial description over here. You have many, actually you have select rule type, you have many types, but we'll use this one right now. So format only cells with, you choose the error bar, and now it will format only the cells that have errors in them. And you have the preview over here, so let's change the format. And let's maybe change it to the color and make it white. Click OK. Again, click OK. And basically what we've done right now is, well, made the font white, so it won't be visible to naked eye. Of course, the cell, the value is still here, but if it changes and it's not an error anymore, so let's say over here, if we had anything here like $1, it would change instantly because it's no longer an error. So let's go back. You can see it changing. Right? If you type in any amount, any data in here, it will change because well, it's no longer an error, right? So the conditional formatting we did applies only to errors. So you can do different roles by conditional formatting over here by cell value, specific text, dates, blanks, or no blanks. So if the cell is empty, you can, well, basically do anything you want. So if it's not an error, you can format the text in a different way. If it's an error, if it has a blank, then you can type in something or change the format of the cell, maybe change the border, or just to allow you to find it faster, fill in with red color, so you would instantly find the empty cells. So it's really useful when you have, let's say, a huge amount of data like this one, and you want to fast forward to doing your job really easy and really fast. Okay, a different way of using the conditional formatting is the well, visual. You can visualize your fill. So you can do the data bars, color scales, and icon sets. So let's begin with maybe the icon sets. Let's use this area over here. And let's say you want it to be more graphic. You want it to look nicer and just to show it in a nicer way. So we go to the icon sets, and here you have the directional. You can see them being red, orange, and green. Sorry. So while marking them, you can see the data over here changing instantly. So this basically shows you that the growth rate was big, it was moderate, or it fell a lot down. So we can use this over here, and you actually can see a lot of orange cells. That's because Excel chose this area, and it took the average from all the data, and by the average most of this is, well, moderate, because you have some cells in which you have like 558, but probably somewhere there's a huge negative or a positive amount. Oh yeah, like here you have minus 1888. So if we would change this value to a more proper one, we have right now minus 193. You can see all the colors changing because the average changed. So basically Excel thinks that most of them are